Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. Today I will discuss with you a very interesting topic, how to set up the plan MRA of brain, and look at the image. This one is the sagittal image, this one is coronal, and this one is transverse. So top MRA planning will be on the sagittal and coronal images, and showing here the protocol. Look here, top, and showing here the parameters. And now I introduce parameters. Now slab group 1 and now slab 4, and distance factor is minus, look here, 19.23, and look here the FOV 200 and phase, and slice thickness 0.60 millimeters, and showing here the final image. Now I set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Look here. Okay, look. Okay. Look, now I check the coronal image. Look here, now I check the sagittal image. Okay, this one is transverse image. Each and everything fine. Now I check the coil. Look here. Look here. Okay. Is and everything fine. Now finally apply. And finally showing here the image. Look here. Finally showing here the image. Look here. Look. How very nice. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.